Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Liz. In today's video, I am doing a cute little DIY. It's going to be a snowman jar, and this is what it looks like. So you can kind of keep it plain and have it just look kind of basic, or you can do what I did and add a cute little face. He looks kind of crazy. I'm not sure if I love the way that the face came out, but you get the idea. You can make it your own, but yeah. So what I'm going to do is this opens up and I'm going to add in like either some candy, or you can put a cute little, gift card or whatever. And this just kind of spices up your, like a plain old gift and makes it look really cute. So if you want to see how I made this, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So you're going to need a glass jar. This is one that was a Yankee Candle that I just reused. You're going to need some white paint, some black paint, a piece of ribbon, and a paintbrush. So the first thing you're going to do is just take the whole bottom part of the jar and paint it all white. So our jar is nice and painted. So now we're going to move on to the lid, and for this guy we're just going to be painting him black because this is going to be the snowman's hat. So our hat is painted. Now I'm just going to take a minute to let all this dry. Okay, so quickly I'm just doing a second coat because I just wanted to make sure it wasn't translucent and the white was really thick and there was no glass showing. So I'm doing a second coat, and I found out that if you kind of dab the brush rather than like paint it normally, it almost kind of looked like snow. So it was really cute. So as you can see, that's why I'm doing those little dabbing motions. And then I'm just gonna add on my little googly eyes. You can paint on eyes or use whatever you want. I just went with Google eyes, so I thought they looked cute. So I'm just going to put those on really quick. And for my carrot nose, I just cut a triangle from a piece of scrapbook paper, and I decided to use that for my nose. Moving on to my snowman's mouth, I just hot glued on some little sequence pieces. You could really use whatever you want for this, or you can completely leave out a mouth and just put on his buttons. But I decided to do the mouth, and I think it turned out pretty cute. And then I just took a piece of red ribbon and just tied a cute little bow. Okay, so for this part you can really put whatever you want inside the jar. I decided to go with something simple, so I'm just going to do candy. But I put a piece of tissue paper in first to kind of just fill it up a little bit, add some bulk, and then added my assorted chocolates. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this cute little Christmas DIY. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, subscribe. I would love to have you. And I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye!